Alright, so here we go with revision 2. This one you can see we're drawing with the light blue pen there on the right. I've got the Z offset dialed in a lot closer. You can see the pen's just moving up and down just a little bit. And I think that's about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. I might be able to kind of anything less than that, and the imperfections in the surface will start to become a problem, and I'll have to worry about skipping. So we'll see how that works out over time. I may wind up spring loading them from the top or something like that to make it so that doesn't matter as much. But that sounds like a pain, and I'm not going to do it right now. So let's see, other changes here. You'll see that I've only got 6 pens in instead of 8. I do have the mount is actually working now, so all 4 bolts are in, and you can see with the bolts in, there's no room for the pens in the back. So I need to either give up those slots or make the whole mount thicker so I can recess the heads in. I ordered some just button head screws to see if that does the job. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. Let's see what else is interesting on this one. Not a whole lot. You can see the in the drawing the precision's getting pretty good, so I'm generally happy with it. So the next thing we're going to look at after getting this sorted is going to be the upper mechanism, or well, upper static piece, whatever we want to call it, that will actually affect the pen changes. But that'll be the next video. Not sure if that one's going to come out tonight or tomorrow, but we'll sort that out. And yeah, we will see you when we get there.